विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण पोलरायझेशन ऑफ अ नॉन पोलर डायइलेक्ट्रिक इन एन एक्सटर्नल फील्ड हा टॉपिक पाहणार आहोत. तर पोलरायझेशन ऑफ नॉन पोलर डायइलेक्ट्रिक in an external electric field. Suppose we consider a dielectric material contain the four molecules, and these molecules contain the charge, positive charge and negative charge, as shown in figure A. In figure A, there is no external electric field. That is, E0 bar is equal to 0. That means the no field is applied. Then the situation of this molecule as shown in figure A. If we apply the external electric field, say E0 bar, this is not equal to 0, that means there is, in figure suppose B, we apply the external field in this direction. Then due to this electric field, all positive charges are moved in the direction of external electric field. Then all this charge, positive charge, each moves along the direction of electric field or one side of this dielectric, and all negative charges are displaced in opposite direction of the positive charges. That is, positive charge, all positive charge are moves at one side of the dielectric along the direction of electric field, and all the negative charge are moves opposite to the direction of electric field or positive charge. That is, all negative charge and all positive charge are opposite to each other. Hence, there is formation of very tiny dipole moment. There is formation of very tiny dipole moment due to each molecule, and net dipole moment is the summation or addition of each dipole moments. This is the dipole moment in case of non-polar dielectric is kept, or is kept in external electric field. Due to field, all the positive and negative charge separated from each other, and there is a formation of small or net tiny dipole moment, and net or total dipole moment of this dielectric is nothing but the addition of each dipole moment. Instead of non-polar dielectric. Suppose there is polar dielectric. The polarization of polar dielectric in an external field. Then what's happened? Consider a polar dielectric. Consider polar dielectric, and the no field, no external field is applied, then all the molecules are travel or all the dipole moments are travel in any direction as shown in figure, because the polar dielectric contain very small tiny permanent dipole moment, and this very small tiny permanent dipole moment in absence of field is travel in any direction in this dielectric. That means the net dipole moment is 0. Net dipole moment is 0 in case of if there is no external field. Suppose we apply the external field on polar dielectric, then this original structure of molecules and dipole moment is destroyed, and all the positive charge is moves or is travel or in the direction of electric field in this dielectric. That means all positive charge are at one side of this dielectric in the direction of external electric field, and all the negative charge are opposite to the direction of external field and opposite to direction of positive charge. That means the positive charge or positive charges and negative charges, opposite to each other in this dielectric. That means in presence of external field, then there is charge separation. All positive charge are moved in one side and all negative charge are displaced in another side. The displacement of charges is stopped when external force is applied on it due to external field. The external field applied the force on this displacement of charge, then displacement of charge is stopped, and there is formation of This polarization is due to external field and second thermal energy. The polarization takes place on this dielectric due to external field, suppose E0, and thermal energy. This polarization of polar dielectric is also, if we calculate the net dipole moment in presence of polar dielectric, the summation or addition of electric dipole moment or tiny dipole moments add to each other and we get the net dipole moment in presence of external electric field. But in absence of external electric field, the net dipole moment is 0, and in presence of dielectric there is net or some electric dipole moment. The dipole moment, the dipole moment per unit, volume is called polarization. The dipole moment or net dipole moment, total dipole moment per unit volume of that dielectric is called polarization. And this polarization is denoted as P. The polarization is denoted as P. In case of isotropic dielectric, the polarization is given by P bar is equal to psi E into E bar, where psi E is called susceptibility of the dielectric medium, and E bar is external electric field. That is, finally the polarization, or this is the formula of polarization, P bar is equal to psi E into E bar. For vacuum or air, the value of psi E is equal to 0. For air or in presence of vacuum, the value of the psi E is equal to 0. In short, in case of polar dielectric, Absence of field, the dipole moment is 0, net dipole moment is 0, and presence of external electric field or strong external electric field, there is addition of dipole moment and formation of polarization, and this polarization is given by formula P bar is equal to psi E into E bar. Thank you.